Hey guys, so I'm back. I end up not going to BJ's like I said earlier because it got a little late when I got out the house, and so I end up just going to Walmart and picking up a few things. These watermelons and the tomatoes, and of course purple onion, and this Mexican cheese blend right here, and some Nacho Doritos, and then Cool Ranch Doritos, and I'll show you how we're gonna do that. A simple little taco salad, and then lettuce. This thing is old, I don't know. I'm gonna cut all that off. And then sour cream, of course. I'm gonna put some jalapenos on mine. And this is tortillas. So yeah, and then I got this big old pack from Wegmans. So I'm gonna use some for the taco salad, and then I'm gonna put the rest up, and then of course taco seasonings. So how's everybody Saturday morning? Sorry if some things are not in full view. Trying to familiarize myself with my back camera angle. I edited a video earlier, so go check that video out. So I'm just gonna probably use about 2 pounds of ground beef to make this mixture. And, I did a little vlogging today, and I felt so awkward at Walmart today, vlogging on the camera, and I think the people was looking at me like, what is she doing? And so with that being said, I gotta get a little bit more comfortable with, you know, the camera and vlogging outside in public. I think this might be enough. 2 pounds should be enough. Put me in the kitchen. So, let's see. Put you down so you can see what I'm doing. So, yeah, so I'm gonna use about 2 pounds of ground beef. And I don't know why this guy be acting funky a little bit. Starting to heat up now. So this I'm using a lot because the kids like to eat a lot. Wait till I start cooking. Well, how y'all doing? How was y'all day? That's all. Where you see me adding more seasoning, it just depends on how much ground beef you use. So I think I use 2.5 packs here. So maybe I should have drained it because It doesn't look bad, but that's how I normally have it, like that consistency. So I was trying to vlog inside the store, but with Jahiri, she is like my most challenging child, and she is like always all over the place. I don't know, these people are starting to make my eyes irritated a little bit. Jahiri, cut it out. So she is like my most challenging child, and so like she likes to get in the store and just like run around. So I couldn't really vlog like I wanted to. Plus I felt a little awkward because this is like my beginning journey with YouTube and trying to learn how to vlog. So I couldn't really, that's why I forgot the cheese, because I had to hurry up and get what I can get and get out the store before she gets like really out of control. So I normally go on with a list because of those reasons, so that I won't forget, because 9 times out of 10, mostly when I go inside the stores, I forget because, you know, you hear it's a lot. And she will not stay in that cart. She be jumping out the cart. She wanna, I'm working with her because, so I just cut them up like this, like small as I can get them. These probably won't get eaten. Half of these probably get thrown in the garbage. So comment down below and tell me, how do you prepare your tacos or taco salad or Mexican dish? Or, and also, if you have toddlers, how do they behave when they're in the store? Also, tell me some of your challenges as far as single momhood. Like, what are your single mom struggles? You know, mine is not having enough hands, I'll tell you that. You know, or everybody competing for your attention. It's like you're one person, and it's like, jeez. Especially when I like come in from work, like I can't even get in the door right because everybody's bum rushing me, and I get it. They're happy to see me, but they're happy to see me, but it's like, come on, let me just come in and sit down for a minute, you know, before I get doing what I'm doing, you know. I need a garbage plate, like a garbage. I don't like those yellow pieces. They just got these pieces like this, they just got like a different taste to them. So I like the taste.
So guys, I'm a bat and I can really fly. See?
Put that juice down, Jordan.
Easy. It's easy to fly. See? You just jump up and then you start flapping your wings. You jump and start flapping your wings. But bats sleep upside down. They sleep on those.
Where do they sleep at upside down?
They sleep on those little hanging things. They sleep on the trees.
Outside?
Yeah.
I thought they hide in like
Branches.
houses or something.
They sleep on the branches. And I'm not a real bat, so I can fly. I'm not a real bat, but I can fly. See? Easy. Jump up. So I'm gonna start flying.
Oh, and so this is what the meat looking like. So that's done. I had to take it out the other pot because for some reason that pot, it burns at the bottom. So I just took it out there and put it in there. And so now I'm finna warm up some tortillas shells. And so I'm about to put them inside this pan right here. put them on. Let that heat up a little bit. Use this. Spray in the can. So I'll just let them get warm. Do this. I cook a few because I don't know who. Let me see. I like Doritos, so do Jordan. So 2, they might eat 2 apiece. Oh. And they use this. This is what we use. And I'll just keep repeating. Okay, so when it gets done, so I'll put some chips down like this. So you just sprinkle it over like this. And depending how much meat you like, just do it like that. It's almost like the Bel Grande. So then you sprinkle. So then you sprinkle it on top like that, like so. And depending how much lettuce you like. And then you go in with your tomatoes like that, and then you hit it with a little purple onion like that. Sour cream. So this is great value sour cream, but you can use Daisy or whatever sour cream you like. And you hit it like that. The kids like sour cream. I'm probably gonna get this plate with Jaden. So then you hit it with the sauce. You can also add shoe-peg corn, refried beans, jalapenos, any toppings you like. And voila, taco salad. So you can eliminate any of these toppings that you don't like. Some people don't like tomatoes, so don't put tomatoes on it. And you can add scallions, but I didn't have any scallions. So these are the chips that we were supposed to be eating with them, but it never happened. So that's it, guys, for that taco salad. I want you to try it. Tell me if you like it. Comment down below. Tell me how it tasted. It's pretty good. My aunt's ex-boyfriend years ago put me on, and ever since I be cooking it. I was cooking it for me, and then when I started having the kids, I started cooking it for them, and they love it. So just comment down below and tell me what you think about the taco salad, and see you on the next one. Peace.